And it looks to me like this entire arena is on its feet, and understandably so.
Jarring impact.
This might be it. Oh, my.
Ooh, what an uppercut. Nasty impact. Ooh, what impact. What a strike! Neck breaker! That could be it. Got the up. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Harsh impact. Setting it up. Long distance drop. Boom! He's starting to stagger a bit. The Tornado Tag Team atmosphere appears to be getting the best of him here.
The good news for him is that he doesn't appear to have taken too much offense up to this point, but that can obviously all change here.
Oh, look at elbows off the chest.
smash.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh, man.
Right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow.
He's starting to feel it here. So many variables for him to take into account here in this tornado tag match.
Yeah, but if you count them out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
Boom, what impact. He's taking some offense. To be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner. I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what a right! Man, that's some attitude behind it. Nailed it.
When this guy's on, look out.
Uh-oh. Watch out.
Oh, my God, right into the second turnbuckle. Like a lawn dart. And stomping away in the corner.
Looking for the exclamation point.
Impactful slam.
But is it enough to end it?
That should do it, Cole. There's no coming back from a slam of that magnitude. He's in trouble.
The end may be near.
Beautiful technique. He's really looking to prove a point here.
Ooh, what impact. This just might be enough for him to take the victory here.
Oh, he's such a tough target.
Oh, God, that hurt.
He's looking at it. Looks like he might have an answer.
Oh, but he's got to capitalize now.
Look out, he's not messing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
He's struggling a bit here. He needs to create some space for himself, but he wants to be successful here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
This is one of the more evenly matched contests we've seen in quite some time. From the looks of things, it could really go either way. Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Nailed it.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Boom, what impact! Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. This might be it.
Oh my. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Beautiful technique.
Now that'll do some serious damage. Looking at it a second time. Ring rattling.
Just when you thought he had nothing left. What a slam, Michael.
Vicious knee. Oh, nasty impact.
Harsh impact.
You gotta believe this one's over. And there's his speed paying off. He's looking a little off balance. This very well may be too much for him to handle.
The truth is, though, he's in far better condition than his opponent, which has to account for something going forward here.
These competitors are just trying to stay under control. Oh boy, he is rolling. Harsh impact. Nope, reverses it.
You gotta believe this one's over.
The intensity of this match has been incredible. Boom! Boom, what impact!
He's too quick for him there.
Oh my!
He may very well have run out of gas. At this point, his confidence has to be at zero.
I'm not sure he has much left. Oh man, he has plenty of reason to be concerned here, guys. But you know what? So does his opposition. This is about as close as it gets.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
few clips.